stink meaner. My demeanor with the Nina. Senoritas wanna meet me at the Catalina. Wine mixer, mix it up with my elixir. Overlooking.
Okay, hi again. Long story short, lot has happened in the last month.
3 वेळा कोविड.
Yesterday I had to do an operation. Well, I didn't do the operation, the surgeon did the operation, but yeah, I went through the surgery.
And I'm going to do a RT-PCR test because I have to travel out of the state. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll meet you elsewhere. Okay, bye.
फक्त तुम्ही आलो नका एक
Okay, right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm leaving for the Pune. I'm not late, but I'm not on time either. I'm just setting up my playlist and I'm going on Bullet. So yeah, see you in Pune at Shardul's house. It took me around 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach Pune. Hey, बाहर जाएगी. मोनू. विसरलीस का तू नाव माझं?
साब
Anyways, कुठे? हाय. मस्त सिगरेटचा वास येतोय. कोणता पॉनीज आहे का?
हायपरएक्स
कितीला घेतला? 8,000.
नाही 3,500 मध्ये कॉम्बो आला माऊस पॅड थोडं प्राईस 5,500 जातं.
विचार. नॉट मी. हेम. ही कोण पाजलं का आत्ता? बस. Okay, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm going to the airport. That's right, their cab is waiting for me. And I forgot to tell you that, but I'm going to Delhi. So yeah, see you at the airport. He's gonna call me, I think.
कधी येशील परत?
1 तारखेला. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Should I wear cap? Who cares? Who cares? Thank you, Kaka. Chalo. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I came to the airport. I am at the airport, but my flight has been cancelled without any prior notification. So I tweeted the airline regarding the concern. I got the reply. They're asking for the details. I have provided them the details. Let's see what happens. And the app through which I booked also replied, I think, GoIbibo. So I'll provide them my details. Hopefully I'll make it in time, or else rest in peace. Man. I'm waiting for the staff member of Go Airline, so apparently they will come and assist me further. So yeah, thank God I kept that buffer of 1 day. My flight was at 4 o'clock, but it was cancelled, so they kind of rescheduled it, and the next flight is at around 7:30 p.m. So I have to wait for it. You can see that line over there. It's all for rescheduling. Bathroom lighting is the best. They need visa cards. I have these visa, but they are not eligible.
No, so you don't have access on this card.
Wow, nice. I have 1 MasterCard, 2 Visa card, but none of them is providing access. Very nice. Let me check if I have another one.
Later.
मेरे कोई भी कार्ड को लाउंज एक्सेस नहीं था, so next time I'm gonna check on that. But I was hungry and I ordered myself biryani, veg biryani, some coffee and cake slice. It was a combo and I had to get something because my flights will depart at 7:30 and we'll reach Delhi at 9:30. Till that I'm gonna be so much hungry, so I thought better get something in my stomach. So yeah, and we'll get the coffee later. It's almost 7 o'clock in the evening and we are finally waiting. Okay, we are in Delhi. Okay, good afternoon from the Gurgaon or Gurgaon, whatever it's called. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And yeah, it's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have ordered myself something to eat. It's pizza, not so healthy, but yeah, this is what it is. And yeah, let me show you the room. This is my cousin's house. By the way, this is my first time in this place, and यहाँ पे I should turn off the fan I think. और वो फ़ैन से याद आया, यहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी होती है लाइक कल रात को जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था कुछ 11 साढ़े 11 हुए थे मुझे आने को, तो तब यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं थी लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ द बारिश. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हुई थी मेरे आने से पहले, लाइक 4 to 5 hours देर वॉज वादळी पाऊस झाला इकडे फार. मग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देर वॉज नो लाइट एंड इतना ज़्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी और गर्मी है यहाँ पे. देखो अभी 2 मिनट के लिए फ़ैन नहीं बंद किया तो पसीने चालू हो गए. व्लॉग नहीं हुआ तो चलेगा बट वी कांट स्टॉप द फैन. सो या आई थिंक I'll be staying here for the night, and tomorrow I have appointment at 10 o'clock at Chanakyapuri, and after that I have a plane to catch. It is around 5:20 in the evening, and I have done my all the tests like COVID related, RT-PCR and all negative, so I'm good to go. I wanted to roam, like I'm staying for the day. When I was coming home yesterday from the cab, I asked the cab driver where should I go. I have the day, this day, today. But he told me all the monuments and all the places you can visit are closed because of the lockdown. So I'm staying home, watching TV. It's turned off currently, but yeah, this is the day. There's Sparrow in the balcony. I'm really sorry for looking frustrated very much, so I'm trying to smile. Okay, bye. And guess what? We got the food. Same pizza and one energy drink. This should do for the lunch. I forgot to show you the man of the house. He's Atul. He's scientist. He has done his masters and all from France. So काय फ्रान्स मध्ये काहीतरी बोल ना. फ्रेंच मध्ये सॉरी फ्रान्स काय. नेवर माइंड. बॉन्जो. ओके बाय. मी कांदा कापतोय तो कोथिंबीर निवडतोय. बॅचलर लाईफ नॉट माइन. नॉट हिज. माय बॅचलर लाईफ. He's married but still bachelor. पहिले मिरच्या करायच्या असतात ना पण म्हणजे तिखटपणा जाईल त्याचा आधीच कांदा. Shit happens. It's okay. This is chicken nugget. We forgot to shoot, and at the last bite I remembered. Thanks to the chef. Bonjour. इकडे खिचडी in the making. म्हणजे झाली आहे. We'll serve ourselves and have it. So this is the final product by him again.
Day 3.
Good morning. Cab is here. चला तो दादा. Tata. Thank you for the stay. Thank you. Bye. Here we are finally. Let's see how it goes. And I don't think they'll allow me to use the camera inside, so I'll turn it off and I'll wait for the call. Well, I went inside at 10 o'clock and came out around 10:20. So yeah, it was quick. For only 20 minutes I had to come all the way from Maharashtra to Delhi. Everything is shut down. There is lockdown going on in Delhi, so I can't roam around. So yeah, I think I'll see you at the airport. Okay, bye.
Missing someone. Is there
Okay, it's 2:15 in the afternoon. I have a flight at 5:20 and we got some good seats over here.
missing someone?
Okay, it's almost 8 o'clock in the evening और सिर्फ एक चीज़ बाकी है. जिस दिन मैं जा रहा था तो मैंने मेरा एक नाइफ़ रहता है कार्ड नाइफ़, वो गो एयर के केबिन में दिया था क्योंकि मेरी फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई थी. मैं अंदर गया था, मेरे चेक इन में वो नाइफ़ निकला और दे टुक इट फ्रॉम मी. बट जैसे ही मुझे बाहर आना पड़ा, I took the knife back from the guard and I gave it to the lady in the Go Air cabin. So I hope I'll get it now again. Let's see if they have it or not. Excuse me. I left my knife over here.
Over here?
हाँ. Thank you so much. Yes. That's it. Thank you so much. We got it back. I had to get it back because I bought this in 2017 in direct second year of engineering, and I don't lose my stuff. I don't like to lose my stuff. So I'm back from Pune, and I'm sorry I didn't mention the main reason for traveling to Delhi, and I hope I'll reveal it in upcoming vlogs if everything goes planned. I don't want to jinx anything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Okay, bye.